Now let's put all the hows and whats together. First, you need to understand what is on the test. In other words, what content are they testing? And we've gone over the reading, grammar, vocab, and logic. And on the math side, it's arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trig, data analysis. And then you need to be very familiar with how they test that content. Keep in mind that reading and logic are part of almost every question on the exam, no matter what section you're in. And on the verbal side of the exam, grammar and vocabulary are part of almost every question on that side. This video is intended to give you just a first look at all of this. As you proceed in the program, you will learn much more. But always keep the what and the how question at the front of your mind. Next, we've given you a brief look at what is in the PowerPrep and how it's used to prepare you for the exam. We reviewed each section of the PowerPrep so you can start to familiarize yourself with the program. So now let's put it all together. You have the PowerPrep. It will teach you the what of the exam. And this video starts you on the way of understanding how to use it. The next step is to watch the remainder of the how to use the PowerPrep videos. We've already mentioned a few times that you also need to download all of the officially released exams. But here's why. This might be the most important takeaway point of everything. You need to understand that it takes both the PowerPrep and the officially released exams if you want to prepare properly and get the best grade possible. So please listen to this very carefully. The PowerPrep teaches you every single testable concept. It covers every aspect of the content that you need to know. It gives you video lessons that demonstrate each concept in complete detail. You have practice questions with scrupulously detailed answers. Both the correct answers and all of the wrong answers are reviewed. You have multiple quizzes for every subject with the same level of detailed explanations. You have drill questions with detailed answers. And you have content explained using video, audio, text, graphics, outlines, workbooks, flashcards, and an 800-page fully integrated ebook. In other words, the PowerPrep includes everything you need in order to learn the what that will face you on the exam. But here's the key part. No test prep company can fully teach you the how. This is essential. You absolutely need the real, officially released exams in order to fully understand how the content is tested. When it comes to seeing exactly where you are and how you are doing, you need real exams for that part. But those exams will not teach you the content. That is what the PowerPrep will do. However, by properly using the officially released exams, they will assist you with timing. Never forget that this is a timed exam and you won't have enough of it. So using real exams to figure out the timing aspect is invaluable. Comprehension. This is figuring out how well, or maybe not so well, you are doing at translating the what that you are learning in the PowerPrep to the actual exam questions. Familiarity. This means becoming used to the question types and the various sections on the exam. It also means never having to waste time reading directions. It means recognizing repetitive question types because you've worked through so many of them prior to the exam. Measuring progress. Real exams taken under simulated timing constraints will give you real feedback that measures your progress. Again, this tells you how well you are implementing the what that you are learning in the PowerPrep. Diagnosing. Real exams will help you see very quickly and easily where you are strong and where you need more work. So the bottom line is it takes both the PowerPrep to teach you the what, getting the needed content, info, and knowledge, and the officially released exams to help you with how to implement that knowledge. What to do next? Well, it should be painfully obvious by this time that the next step is to watch the remainder of the how-to videos, or at least enough of them so you feel confident using the PowerPrep, and then to download all of the officially released exams. You will use them at various stages in your prep to test your progress and figure out your strengths and weaknesses as you go. Best of luck with your exam preparation and in college. It's truly an amazing adventure.